Hello students, welcome back to your online session for maths class for today. Now today we are going to begin with exercise 9 of unit 4, and let us see what does this exercise teaches us. The question in this exercise says divide and check your answer. It means first of all we have to divide the given numbers, and then we have to check whatever answer is given given to us, or whatever answer we have obtained, we need to check that answer. Okay, now let us get started. Now see, the question or the sum that is given to us is we have to divide 4787 from 9. Okay, so our first step is to just write it down like this. Now beginning from left hand side, we will begin with our division part. Am I right? So 4 we cannot divide from 9, so we will take 7 as well, so the number will become 47. Now what is the next step to do? We need to read out the table of 9 unless and until we will get 47 or any number that is less than 47. Let us read out the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, and 9 sixes are 56. 9 sixes are 54. Sorry. Okay. Now it means our we cannot take 9 sixes because it will be 54. So what we need to do? We need to take 9 fives 45. Let us write it down like this. 9 fives 45. Let us subtract it now. 5 subtracted from 7 will give us 2, and this 4 subtracted from 4 will give us 0. So it means we will take this 8 as it is over here. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. Okay, let us subtract it now. We'll get 1. What is the next step? Let us take this 7 as it is over here. Read out a table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. It means we cannot take 18, so we have to take 9 ones are 9, right? Now let us subtract it and we'll get 8. Okay, we'll get 8 over here. Now students, I hope you all remember that over here I have explained it to you that this digit, the digit from which we used to divide the number, is called as divisor. Then the digit which is going to be divided is called as dividend, and the number of whatever we get over here is called as quotient, and over here we get remainder. Okay, now how to check it out that whether we have got the correct answer, or like is this question correct or not? We have a specific formula for this. Let us see what is the formula. So students, this is our formula, and the formula says dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I have written down their short forms. QU means quotient, RE means remainder, DIVID means dividend, and DIVIS means divisor. Now what is the divisor over here? This one. So it means 9, and then quotient is 531, and then remainder is 8. Okay, now let us multiply them, and whatever answer we will get, we will add it. So finally what we should get? We should get this number. If we will obtain this number over here as an answer, then it means our division is correct. Let us multiply it. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 7 will write over here and 2 will go in carry. 5 nines are 45, plus 2 47. Now what we need to do? We need to add 8 to this number. Now see, 9 plus 8 will give us 17. 1 is again in carry, that will be added to this number, so it will become 8. Now 4 7 8 7. Okay, so it means this is the same number that we have over here also. So this division is correct. Okay, now second part, we will first of all divide this number. 13 we'll take together. Okay, so 6 2s are 12. Okay, because 6 3s are 18 and 18 is more than 13. 1 will be left over here. We'll write 18 as it is. 6 3s are 18. Subtract it and 0. Now see, we have to write this 6 over here, right? And we cannot we can actually divide this 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay, let us subtract it 0. Now students, see, this 5 we have to write over here, but as we cannot divide it from 6, so as this number is not divisible, so we have to write 0 over here. Okay, we need to write 0. Always remember, if the number we cannot divide over here, I'm not talking about the remainder, I am talking about if we have took this number, if we took this number over here and it is not divisible, then we have to write 0 over here, and then this number will become remainder. Okay, now let us apply the formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Fine. Now what is the divisor? This 6. What is the quotient? This one. 2 3 1 0. And what is the remainder? This 5. Okay, let us multiply it. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. 1 will go and carry. 6 to the 12 plus 1 13. Okay, plus 5. Now 5 added to this 0 will give us 5, and rest of the digits will remain the same. Now this is our answer. Fine, and see, this number and this number is exactly the same. So it means our division part of this number, this sum is correct. Now third part, we cannot divide 6 from 9, so we need to take 62 together. Okay, now let us read our table of 9 till 62 or less than 62. Now see student, let us read our table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, and 9 sevens are 63. Okay, so 63 we cannot take, so it means 54 we will take. Okay, so it means 9 sixes are 54. Let us subtract it now. It will become 12. 12 minus 4, 8. We'll write this 8 as it is. So we have to take a number that is less than 88. We can clearly see that 9 nines are 81 we have. So it means 7 will be left over here. Okay, now we need to write this 1, 71. So 9 sevens are 63. We'll take 63 as it is. Okay, now let us subtract it. Take one borrow. 3 subtracted from 9 will give us 8. Okay, then we will take this 7 over here. Now again 9 nines are 81. Let us subtract it. 6 will be left over here. It means this 6 is the remainder, and this is our quotient, divisor and dividend. Let us apply that same formula. DIVID, dividend, is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, what is the divisor over here? 9. Then 6 9 7 9 plus what is remainder? 6. It means after multiplying this number we will get 6 9 7 3. Okay, Now students, after multiplying these two numbers, we will get as an answer 62811, and then we will add this 6 to this number. So we'll get our final answer will be 62817. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, now we'll move on to this fourth part, and the question is 12. We have to divide 348 from 12. Let us read out the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. We cannot take 36. Okay, so what we need to do, 12 twos are 24. Let us subtract it, 0 and 1, and then this 8 we will write down over here. Okay, now if you will read out the table of 12, 12 nines are 108. Okay, it means we don't have any remainder over here, but still we have to check this answer. So let us apply that formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? 12, and quotient is 29, and remainder is 0. Now let us multiply these two numbers, 12 into 29. 9 twos are 18, 9 ones are 9 plus 1 10, then 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. 8 4 3. Is this the same number that we have over here? Yes. So it means this is the same number that we got after multiplying these two numbers, and our division part is also correct. Okay, now students, this fifth part you all will try to do this one by yourself. Let us try solve this sixth part. Now we have to read out a table of 15. Do you all remember the table of 15? If yes, then very good. If not, then please remember and please learn these tables by heart. Now let us read our table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, and 15 fives are 75. We have subtracted the number, we got 0, and this 9. Now see, we cannot divide this 9 from 15. So what we need to do in place of this? Yes, just now in previous question I have explained it. Whenever we take the number from here and we cannot divide it, we need to put 0 over here. Now this number has become the remainder. Let us apply that formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is 15, quotient is 50, and the remainder is 9. Now let us multiply. We just need to multiply 15 into 5, and after whatever answer we'll get, we'll put 0 over here. 5 fives are 25, 2 is there in carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. This is the answer of 15 into 5. Now let us put 0, and then we need to add this 9. Now see, 750 plus 9 will give us 759, and this is the same number that we have over here. It means this is a dividend, right? And this is the same dividend we got over here. It means our division part is correct. Okay, so this is how we have done these sums. Now let us move on to next ones. See, question number 7 says we have to divide 4287 from 21, right? So now student, what we need to do, we have to read out a table of 21 until 42, or any number less than 42 will come. Now if you remember the table, you will easily recall that 21 twos are 42, and if you don't remember, then let us just multiply it like this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 42. So 21 twos are 42. Let us subtract it. We'll get 0. Right? Now we'll write this 8 over here. But we cannot divide this 8 from 21. Right? So what we need to do? We need to take this 7 as well over here. But the rule says that if we take two digits together from here, we have to put 0 over here. Now let us divide this 87 from 21. But for that, what we need to do? We need to read out the table of 21. Okay. Now students, 21 twos are, we already have seen 42. 21 threes are 63 and 21 fours are is 84. So we will take this one. Now 3 is left in remainder. Now what we need to do? What is the next step? Apply the formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now divisor is 21, quotient is 204 and remainder is 3. Now what we need to do? We just need to multiply these two numbers. Let us multiply it. 204 into 21. 4 ones are 4, 0 2 ones are 2. 4 twos are 8, 0 2 twos are 4. 4, 8, 2, 4. Let us write down 4, 2, 8, 4. Then we need to add 3 to this number. So it will become 4287 and it's done. Okay. Now 8th part you always try to do it by yourself. We will do 9th part now. Now let us get started students. See the question is 8 8 8 8 and we have to divide it from 36. Okay. Now I hope like none of us remember the table of 36. So what we need to do? We just need to multiply the numbers. Okay. 36 ones are we already know, right? 36 twos are. This is how we will multiply it. 36 twos are is 72 and 36 threes are is 108. So it means to divide 88 we can take 72, right? It means 36 twos are 72. Let us subtract it. 8 minus 2 will give us 6 and 7 subtracted from 8 will give us 1. Then we will take this 8 over here. Now see 36 fours is 144. Let us multiply 36 into 5 as well, just to check it out whether we'll get this digit or something less than this. 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. So it means we have to take this one. 36 fours are 144. Right? Now let us subtract it. 4 and 2 and then we will write down this 8 as it is. Right? Now the number is 248. Again what we need to do? We need to check it out like till which number we can take 248 or less than 248. Let us multiply 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 will give us 21. We need to check 36 sevens all as well. Okay. 252 is 36 sevens are 252 and 36 6 are 216. Let us subtract it now. We need not to take one borrow. We can subtract it directly. Yes, this is what we got over here. But we have not written 36. 6s are 216. So this is how we have subtracted this number. Now what is the next step? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? 36. What is the quotient? 246. And what is the remainder? 32. Now after multiplying these two numbers, we'll get 8856. Then we need to add 32 to this number. So we'll get 8888. Now this is how we have done these sums. Okay. After this video, I will send its PDF also, students. So you can also check these sums, the ones which I have left for you to practice. You can also cross check these sums in your in the PDF that I will share after this video. Okay. So that is all for today. Have a good day. Take care.